Stamp it. Achalogo wanyum. My baby yo. Asare.
Hi guys, welcome to Igbo Proverbs Friday with Chioma. Remember, Igbo Proverbs Friday is now once every month. Yeah, one of our brothers, his name is David Rain, and the title of his song is Echoes of the Ocean. I know you like it. Let's go.
Stamp it. Achalogo wanyum. My baby yo. Asare. Need you nolo. Just hear me. It's David Rain. Yeah. Girl, I love the way you just feel it. And I love the fact you know that resist me. She go like I'm if I put on repeat. Girl, I love the way you just feel it. And I love the fact you know that resist me. She go like I'm if I put on repeat.
Day one, Afambu Chioma, aka Adandi Igbo, aka Chibibiti, Beauty Brains and Talent. Achomi weterunu tata, otutu ilu Igbo, ilu bu manu ndi Igbo jelioku, genti kinu, ilu di cheche.
I go stand by you, I go care for you. Makoko self kibakwa, sakwanga choki be for me will be only when you're money. And I love the way you're calling my name.
Azune no gibe ya, adege bribu. A fish that doesn't swallow another fish doesn't get big. What does this teach you in life? In life, you don't have to give a qualms about how some people feel. If you do the right thing and do the right thing at the right time, do the thing that you feel is appropriate, it's the best thing to do in life. At the end of the day, I bet you, some people will like what you're doing. Azune no gibe ya, adige bribu.
God, I'm coming. My baby boo, wait to go shop. Your beauty is salami. And I got lie, you're tempting. You're the career, no faking. Kaikoba, Kaikoba. Kaikoba, Kaikoba.
Or you can man motaka. This just shows us that friendship, relationship, sometimes is better from afar. Why? Because you get to value the person when the person is far, and when you come closer, you value the time that you spend with the person.
Kaikoba, Kaikoba, Kaikoba. In a pomatiti, in a misis, yeah, I talk about but I'm not gonna put him. Okay, because he had bosses. I have a chitty. My neighbors are not just in my Kennedy. I don't care that this is a kiki. Never hook up for more. I have all I'm more. My gymnastics, my counterpart need a papa. Can I
I see what I will borrow. Obido sawa for ya. When they tell a child to take his bath, he starts with his stomach. This shows immaturity, right? Because he believes his stomach is the only place that is dirty. In life, we have to apply maturity to everything we are doing. We take some decisions. People offend us in life. People do some things to break us. The level of maturity we portray, we teach them or break us.
If I put on repeat, girl, I love the way you just feel it, and I love the fact you know that it is me. She go like I'm if I put on repeat.
Thank you for watching today's proverb. Don't forget to listen to Echoes of the Ocean by David Rain. Click and go listen to it on Spotify. See you. Share this video if you like Adandi Igbo.
Odinobim, Irichami Chakam, Nibuma Matanisi Kakaya. You know matter. Egypt Nolo.
Mr. Leggy on the beat.
Odinobim, Irichami Chakam, Nibuma Matanisi Kakaya. You know matter. Egypt Nolo.
Mr. Leggy